remember the way the room went quiet, like the whole world knew something had just changed. One look between us, and suddenly forever didn't feel so far away. We were just two hearts learning how to hold on through every shadow, through every fire, and all the small moments turned into a lifetime, standing here beside you now. If every road was leading here, then every scar was worth it. Every second brought me closer to this light, and I would choose you over 1,000 lifetimes, over every sunrise, over every storm. When the world is fading, you'll still be my home, my once in a lifetime, my always, my only one. One day we'll look back at these trembling hands, laughing at the way we were so afraid. 'Cause love was never something we had to chase. It was waiting all along. And I will choose you when our hair turns silver, when the nights grow colder, when the years move on. And if the stars fall and the sky goes dark, I'll still be reaching for your heart. You're the reason I believe in forever, the proof that heaven can exist right here. And when this moment becomes a memory, I'll still hear those four notes calling me home. One look between us, and suddenly forever didn't feel so